Hey everybody, it's Jay with Executive Pro Drive in Colorado Springs. We're a water and sewage mitigation company.
Lance, Rocky Mountain Restoration and Construction, and the Restoration One owner as well.
Hi, Daniel here.
Hey guys, this is Mitch Serber from Restoration One.
It's Robert from Restoration One, Colorado Springs.
Do a little video for Greg Sargent. Greg's been working with us to help us find some good qualified candidates and technicians here for our company. You know, as an owner, you get so busy in the business and doing things, it really gets hard to find good candidates. So I got with Greg, and I took some of his classes up in Denver, his strategic classes, his money-making classes for the businesses and things, and so I really appreciate it, and it was well worth the time. And Greg really gets this stuff dialed in, so I appreciate it. It saves me a ton of time. It's a point of pain that is just taken care of.
Met Greg Sargent at a convention with Restoration One, and we're just a plethora of information. We just got lots and lots of information from Greg, and just so much details that he brings with his personal experience in the business. Also saw in Denver that he was doing a 4-hour class up there in interlake supply, and he really just brought just so much more information that day, and just a lot of stuff we use in practices today. 5-star from us. If we could put 100 on there, we would. And we appreciate everything Greg's done for us.
We just want to give Greg a big thanks for everything he's done. He's came out, really helped us get everything in order, really helped us get more organized and more efficient. We actually have a lot of the stuff we need now. I highly recommend him. If you need your business needs help, definitely the guy to go with, Greg Sargent. He's our big Sarge on the block.
Was one of Greg Sargent's client. Zero experience, zero idea of how to get started. Then I signed up with him for coaching and the call conversions, all the marketing stuff. So I signed up. Greatest thing we ever did. He gave us so much more direction and gave us just conclusive information. Was super flexible about everything. This industry of restoration mitigation. He's just the absolute consummate professional, super undervalued for what he charges. I couldn't recommend him enough.
Just wanted to take a minute to thank Greg for coming down from Utah. Before he came down, our office, shop, fleet, everything was in disarray, disorganized. He came down, helped us put a plan together, set some standards, and we're now running a lot more efficient. Everything's more organized, and we're working better as a team. Again, Greg, thank you to everybody that sees this. I highly recommend Greg and his company. You won't be let down.
Great content, amazing amount of information that he gave out, and several great money-making ideas in that 2 hours. Great content. I hope everybody takes advantage of it.